I'd be like, whoa, okay. But I think we'll literally build a legion, or at least one legion of robots this year, and then probably 10 legions next year.
30 minutes, not to bake a pizza, but to roll out a humanoid robot. So what exactly is happening inside Tesla's factory? Thanks to a modular plug-in design for 28 actuators, the FSD chip, and a suite of sensors, each Optimus robot can be assembled in just half an hour at an unprecedented speed in the world of robotics. How has Tesla achieved what companies like Figure AI, Agility Robotics, and Boston Dynamics are still struggling to prototype? Before we begin, please help us reach 4,300 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla Optimus, Tesla Model Q, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. How can Tesla build Optimus in 30 minutes? Producing an Optimus robot in just 30 minutes is a feat that Tesla is achieving in the field of humanoid robotics. Of course, this accomplishment is not a matter of luck, but the result of extremely high-level optimization of the assembly process, with core technologies directly inherited from Tesla's electric vehicle production lines. Tesla applies a modular design approach to the manufacturing of Optimus, allowing major components such as the skeletal frame, actuators, battery, and control computer to be assembled simultaneously and rapidly before final integration. Elon Musk once emphasized during a presentation.
So the new Optimus 22 degree of freedom hand and forearm is now in production. And it's learning to walk and catch balls. It's pretty cool. I mean, look, that's where we came from. It's wild. So in a very short period of time, Optimus has gone from being an idea to the most sophisticated humanoid robot on Earth.
The Optimus assembly process can be divided into multiple stages, starting with the preparation of individual modular subassemblies. The robot's frame is precast from lightweight alloy, potentially using gigacasting technology similar to that used in the Model Y production line, which helps minimize the number of components and assembly steps. At the same time, the actuation system, which includes 28 actuators responsible for joint movements in the arms, legs, and spine, is also prepared in advance. This is one of the most complex and time-consuming stages we have observed, as each actuator must be calibrated with millimeter precision to ensure the robot can move fluidly and maintain balance. Even a small deviation could lead to poor mobility or instability. In particular, the hands and forearms, which feature 22 degrees of freedom, form one of the most technically intricate modules, accounting for nearly 50% of the robot's entire electromechanical complexity. Elon Musk once revealed this during a presentation.
Yeah.
The hand might be close to half of all the engineering in Optimus. From an electromechanical standpoint, the hand is probably roughly half of the engineering.
The hand design has undergone numerous trials and refinements. In the early stages, the engineering team experimented with integrating actuators directly into the palm, but they quickly realized the limitations of this approach.
We tried putting the actuators in the hand itself, but then you sort of end up having these like
Giant hands?
Yeah, giant hands that look weird.
Producing an Optimus robot in just 30 minutes is a feat Tesla is achieving in the humanoid robotics space. This milestone is not a matter of luck, but the result of extreme optimization in the assembly process, leveraging core technologies inherited directly from Tesla's electric vehicle production lines. The assembly process for Optimus can be broken down into multiple steps, starting with the preparation of individual modules. The robot's skeleton is precast from lightweight alloy, possibly using gigacasting technology similar to what's used in the Model Y, which reduces the number of parts and assembly operations. Simultaneously, the drivetrain system, including 28 actuators responsible for joint movement in the arms, legs, and spine, is prepped for installation. This is one of the most complex and time-consuming steps, as each actuator must be calibrated with millimeter-level precision to ensure fluid movement and balance. Even a small misalignment can result in instability or inefficient motion. The arms and forearms, featuring 22 degrees of freedom, are the most intricate part of the robot, accounting for nearly 50% of the electromechanical complexity. As Elon Musk revealed, the hand design went through multiple iterations and adjustments. In early stages, engineers tried integrating the actuators directly into the palm, but quickly discovered significant issues. As a solution, Tesla repositioned the actuators externally and used an ultra-compact cable and gear transmission system, maintaining precision while keeping a clean, natural appearance. Next, the 2.3 kilowatt-hours, 52-volt central battery is mounted into the midsection of the robot. Wiring and connectors are designed in a plug-in format, enabling quick and precise installation. The brain of Optimus, the full self-driving FSD computer combined with a neural network, is added last, responsible for coordinating sensors, computer vision, and motor control. Once the hardware is complete, the robot enters a full calibration phase, where cameras, force sensors, and motion systems are auto-aligned. The robot then performs a series of basic movements like walking, bending, and gripping objects to verify that all systems are functioning properly. This entire process takes place on a nearly fully automated production line where industrial robots handle the majority of tasks, demonstrating Musk's long-held vision of robots building robots. The reuse of shared Tesla EV components, from the FSD chip, battery wiring to sensors, helps cut production costs, leverage existing manufacturing capabilities, and dramatically shorten development time. Furthermore, testing and calibration stages are AI-driven, allowing real-time quality control and eliminating outdated manual inspection steps. Based on these stages, we believe the core factors enabling Tesla to reach the 30-minute production benchmark lie in three critical elements: modular design, full automation, and reusing EV technologies. Among all steps, installing and calibrating the actuators, especially the hand with 22 degrees of freedom, remains the biggest challenge, requiring extreme precision in both mechanical systems and control software. If Tesla's team can further optimize this phase, the total assembly time could drop to just 20 minutes. Tesla has achieved a major breakthrough in humanoid robotics by completing one Optimus robot every 30 minutes. This achievement places Tesla far ahead of competitors like Figure AI, Agility Robotics, and Boston Dynamics companies still in manual or semi-manual production stages, where assembly time ranges from hours to even weeks in the case of Atlas. Figure AI's Figure 01 has only reached the prototype stage, with assembly still experimental and far from scalable. Meanwhile, Agility Robotics Digit has entered limited commercial production at the RoboFab facility in the US, but initial capacity is only about 10,000 robots annually, around 27 per day, meaning each takes 1 to 2 hours to assemble, excluding testing and calibration. Boston Dynamics Atlas remains a tech demo with no mass production line or viable commercial path at reasonable cost. Tesla, on the other hand, is executing its robots building robots strategy by relying heavily on industrial robots to assemble Optimus. Most stages of assembly and calibration are automated, minimizing human labor. Shared components like the 2.3 kilowatt-hour to 52-volt battery, FSD computer, wiring, and force sensors are all plug-and-play, accelerating the build process. Unlike competitors who must design each part from scratch, Tesla directly repurposes proven EV components, a competitive edge that's nearly impossible to replicate quickly. This not only slashes costs, but also reduces the time from design to mass production. As a result, a single line can produce 2 robots per hour, or 16 per day. With 10 lines running in parallel, Tesla's theoretical output could exceed 50,000 to 100,000 units per year, several times the combined production capacity of all its competitors. If Tesla truly maintains a 30-minute per unit rate, then what Elon Musk is building is not just a technical achievement, it is a seismic shift in manufacturing cost and the widespread adoption of humanoid robots. With near-zero labor costs, shared EV components driving down part costs, and AI-led testing eliminating manual inefficiencies, the production cost of each Optimus unit could drop below $20,000, a shocking figure compared to current humanoid robots that cost hundreds of thousands. Once again, please help us reach 4.3 thousand subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you. What makes Optimus production faster than any rival? If a single production line can complete one Optimus in 30 minutes, then with just 10 lines operating 20 hours a day, Tesla could produce up to 9,600 robots per month or more than 100,000 robots per year, with the unit production cost significantly reduced thanks to economies of scale. Reducing the assembly time of one Optimus to just 30 minutes is not only a technical breakthrough, but also a highly effective cost optimization strategy. In industrial manufacturing, assembly time is directly proportional to cost. The shorter the production time, the lower the labor costs, line operating expenses, and depreciation of fixed assets. Unlike current humanoid robots, which often take weeks to handcraft and cost hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars, Tesla is building Optimus on a decade-optimized electric vehicle manufacturing platform. By reusing components like batteries, wiring systems, FSD computers, and sensors from its EV lineup, Tesla saves significantly on both R&D and production. Coupled with a modular design and fully automated assembly, both component and labor costs are substantially reduced. From a financial perspective, Elon Musk once hinted that the future production cost of Optimus could be less than a car, and with the current pace of production, that goal seems entirely achievable. Assuming the production cost of a Model 3 is around $25,000 to $28,000, then Optimus could aim for a sub-$20,000 price point when mass production begins. This opens up a massive market, where companies can deploy humanoid robots as part of their workforce, with initial investment costs lower than a single year's salary for a human worker. Tesla is rapidly approaching its ambitious goal, producing 1 million Optimus robots per year by 2026, a figure that once seemed unimaginable in the humanoid robotics space. However, when viewed through the lens of technology, production processes, supply chains, and market demand, this is not just an achievable goal, it's an extremely strategic move. First, from a market perspective, Optimus doesn't need to look far for customers. Tesla's internal manufacturing ecosystem, with hundreds of thousands of employees across its gigafactories worldwide, already represents a massive potential market. If Tesla replaces just 10% of its workforce with robots, it could immediately absorb 100,000 to 200,000 Optimus units, not to mention sales opportunities in other industries. One particularly promising field is warehouse automation and logistics, where companies like Amazon, DHL, or FedEx are facing rising labor costs and an urgent need for automation. From a manufacturing standpoint, assembling one Optimus in just 30 minutes is revolutionary. At this rate, a single line could produce approximately 5,800 robots per year. To reach the 1 million unit target, Tesla would need to deploy about 170 to 180 lines operating continuously, a completely realistic scenario if it builds one or two dedicated factories modeled after its gigafactories. Tesla holds a major advantage in being able to leverage existing infrastructure and supply chains from its EV business. This means Tesla doesn't need to start from scratch, it simply needs to scale up, significantly reducing capital investment costs. On the software side, once considered the greatest hurdle in robotics, Tesla is taking a radically different approach. Instead of years of theoretical AI research, Tesla uses a unified neural network already trained on billions of miles of real-world driving from its autonomous driving program, along with learning by demonstration techniques. This is a pragmatic strategy that dramatically accelerates the real-world applicability of Optimus without the need for academic-style research cycles. As output increases, economies of scale will continue to drive down the cost per unit. If each robot currently costs tens of thousands of dollars to produce, then at the 1 million units per year milestone, that cost could drop to under $10,000, a price point that competitors like Figure 01, Sanctuary AI, or Agility Robotics cannot compete with, since most are still producing robots manually or in small batches. Tesla's rapid deployment, combined with deep automation and extensive standardization, is creating an ever-widening gap in the race for dominance in humanoid robotics. In a world where demand for robots in manufacturing, logistics, services, and personal care is growing rapidly, the 1 million unit Optimus target is not just a matter of volume, it is a strategic play for Tesla to secure global leadership in the humanoid robotics market. If successful, Elon Musk won't just revolutionize the automotive industry, he will redefine how humans work and live in the 21st century. We appreciate your contributions and hope you will have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the Techno creator family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.